I'm a salesman, so I was insecure about my smile. That's nice.
I feel confident when I go to work. I can go out, I can go shopping, I can hang out with friends, I can go out to eat. I love my new smile.
I want to give a big thanks to Pop On Veneers to help me to be more confident and get a better look in my presentations as a singer and entertainer.
You can't eat on your veneers. It's very easy.
I've been getting compliments on how white my teeth are. I work for FedEx, so that's been really nice.
Do Zoom calls and all that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these.